Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn a lot of important concepts. We will learn how to scale or resize images properly, how to make an image of desired dimensions as demanded by the client, how to increase the resolution of a low image, how to retouch skin and basic color correction techniques, how to scale images properly. For that, open any image. For example, I have opened this particular image. First, check its resolution in image menu option. If it says 96, change it to 300. Then under image resize option, drop down menu, select best for enlargement and save it. By doing this, you shall be able to scale your image in the best possible results out of Photoshop. The second topic is very important, that is how to make an image of desired dimensions, let's say 4 by 6 inch, 6 by 8 inch or 11 by 16 inches or whatever size you need or whatever size is needed by the client. So how to make a particular image fit in the desired dimension that you need? Well, it's not difficult, it's quite easy. Let's suppose we need a document whose width is 4 inches and height is 6 inches. So how shall we do that? It's quite simple. Enter 4 in the width box and 6 in the height box, checkbox area, and ensure the size is in inches. It shouldn't be in centimeter or millimeter, it should be in inches. Rest Photoshop will automatically create a new document for us with the same dimensions of 4 by 6. Now we will insert any image which we want to scale up or scale down. Using the transform tools, we can resize it to our liking and then save it. Now, since this image has been inserted in a document that's 4 by 6 inches, so automatically this image dimensions are 4 inches in width and 6 inches in height. You can do the same steps for making any size whatsoever. Similarly, we can create a document of 8 by 10 inches, 8 being the width and 10 being the height in inches. Whatever image is inserted into this document will be 8 inches wide and 10 inches in height.
Once you are satisfied, you can save this file. So the size of the file will be 8 by 10 inches.
So moving on, how to retouch skin, how to fix skin issues. First open the image. We will use the zoom tool quite often to observe the image closely. First of all, we will do surface blur with a radius of 2. And then adjust levels to bring out the shadows and highlights in the image. In the levels dialog box, we will move this small triangle slider to the left side to brighten up the pixels of this image. Notice how it's brightening up the image and lightening up the shadows. A bit of dodge tool is used to lighten up the dark areas of the skin to fix the shadows. After being fully satisfied, save it as a JPEG file. We can see that by using levels and slight dodge tool, our image has improved considerably. Suppose a particularly intense color is ruining your image.
that color may be green, red, blue or whatever. Well, Photoshop has an easy fix for it. Go to the image menu, auto tones option. Select it. Most of the color issues will be magically be resolved. If still the image has a heavy color cast, open the hue saturation dialog box. Select the particular color that's bothering you. For example, red color is dominant in this particular pic. Simply select the red channel from the option and decrease its saturation slider by moving it to the left. That's it.
You have successfully removed red color cast from your image.
So friends, we have learned how to scale image properly, how to resize it. We have learned how to set the proper dimensions of the image. We have learned how to set its dimension to whatever size we need for our project. We have learned how to retouch the skin, and we have learned how to color correct our images. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.